Hi, what's up, everyone? Did you know that the average commuter spends over 200 hours a year stuck in traffic? Imagine if you could bypass all of that stress, squeeze onto a train, and have your own bike waiting to zip you through the last mile without breaking a sweat. Today, we're diving into the top best folding e-bikes for train commuters you can grab on Amazon. Perfect for anyone who wants speed, portability, and comfort all rolled into one. All the links are in the description, so be sure to check them out. On number 6, electric bike for adults, removable battery, UL2849, certified, multi-stage shock absorption system. Starting off with a ride that's all about comfort, the electric bike for adults is a full-sized commuter designed to glide over rough roads with a multi-stage shock absorption system. If your priority is plush stability and safety rather than extreme portability, this is your pick. UL2849 certification guarantees the electrical components and battery meet strict safety standards, giving peace of mind for daily use. Its removable battery makes charging simple and secure, and the suspension system ensures cracked pavements, gravel paths, or uneven city streets are tackled effortlessly, while keeping rider fatigue low. Compared to ultra-compact folders like the F4 Black 14-inch mini bike, this one sacrifices easy apartment storage but delivers vastly superior stability and comfort for longer commutes or light trail rides. In practice, it shines for riders who experience back or joint discomfort, offering a confident, smooth ride while maintaining excellent all-terrain versatility. While portability is limited and maintenance for the advanced suspension is slightly higher, its combination of certified safety, superior ride quality, and full-size geometry make it a standout option for those who value comfort over compactness. What do you think about a bigger, smoother ride versus a tiny, ultra-portable one? Let me know in the comments. On number 5, 1000-watt folding electric bike. 48 volts, 20.8 amp hours, large removable battery, 30+ miles per hour, 80 miles max range, 20-inch fat tire. Next up, for those who want power without compromise, the 1000-watt folding electric bike offers an insane 48-volt, 20.8 ampere-hour battery, giving up to 80 miles of range, while fat 20-inch tires make both city streets and light trails manageable. This bike hits over 30 miles per hour, blending the thrill of speed with the practicality of a folding frame, perfect for storing in a car trunk or RV. Compared to the number 6 full suspension bike, it trades a cushioned ride for portability and extreme range, but the fat tires still give surprising stability and comfort. It's ideal for long-distance commuters who need confidence in acceleration, whether hitting urban roads or unpaved paths, though its heavy frame makes stair navigation a workout. When matched against smaller folders like the isinwheel U4, it clearly offers far more power, torque, and multi-terrain ability, yet sacrifices some convenience in tight apartments or crowded trains. The bike is not just about speed, it's about freedom. More miles, more terrain, more options. Pros include the massive battery, fat tire all-terrain grip, and folding utility, while cons are bulk, heavy weight, and a premium price. Who's ready for a high-power folding bike that doubles as an adventure machine? Drop your thoughts below. On number 4, isinwheel U4 16-inch folding e-bike, suspension, 10.4 ampere-hour battery, 500-watt motor, 19 miles per hour. The isinwheel U4 is a compact urban commuter designed for adults and teens who need portability without losing comfort. Its 16-inch wheels, step-through frame, and built-in suspension make mounting, dismounting, and riding over bumpy city streets effortless. With a 500-watt motor and 10.4 ampere-hour battery, it hits a manageable 19 miles per hour top speed, perfectly street legal and safe for urban lanes. In comparison to the 1000-watt folding fat tire bike, the U4 sacrifices top speed and ultra-long range, but gains ease of storage, lighter weight, and a more forgiving ride for short commutes. Its foldable design fits neatly into trunks, offices, or train compartments, making it ideal for last-mile commuting. While smaller wheels slightly reduce stability on rough terrain and limit top-end speed, the bike excels for riders prioritizing compactness, comfort, and daily convenience over adventure performance. Compared to the number 6 and number 5 bikes, it's the City Ninja option, easier to carry, easy to store, and perfect for quick hops across urban streets. Pros: step-through accessibility, suspension for smooth rides, compact folding size. Cons: smaller range, slower speed, less off-road capability. Would you pick portability over raw power? Let's discuss. On number 3, Vivi electric bike for adults, 1000 watts peak, 26-inch wheels, dual shock absorber, SGS certified. If raw power and off-road capability matter, but you still need folding convenience, the Vivi electric bike delivers with a 1000-watt peak motor, 26-inch wheels, and dual shock absorbers. Designed as a hybrid commuter and mountain-capable machine, it's perfect for riders who tackle hilly or mixed terrain yet want to store their bike compactly when done. The SGS-certified UL2849 battery ensures electrical safety, while fat tires and suspension handle rough surfaces confidently. Compared to the isinwheel U4, the Vivi sacrifices ultra-compact portability for superior speed, torque, and all-terrain adaptability. Against the 1000-watt folding fat tire bike, it offers slightly less range but greater wheel size for smoother rollover performance on rugged paths. Real-world performance is a delight. It transitions seamlessly from pavement to dirt trails, while its folding capability still allows easy garage or SUV storage. Pros include extreme power, safety certification, and off-road versatility, with cons being weight, bulk, and reduced ease of transport on crowded trains. This is the choice for riders who refuse to compromise on adventure while keeping folding utility. On number 2, INVANTI folding electric bike, 1000 watts peak, 25 miles per hour, 45 miles range, 20-inch step-through fat tire. The INVANTI is all about accessibility, utility, and respectable power. Its step-through frame makes mounting and cargo carrying easy, especially with the integrated rear rack. A 1000-watt motor hits 25 miles per hour with a claimed 45-mile range, while 20-inch fat tires and front suspension tackle rough roads smoothly. Compared to the Vivi 1000-watt 26-inch bike, it trades slightly less technical off-road performance for better foldability, step-through convenience, and urban practicality. In comparison to the ultra-compact F4 Black or the 16-inch isinwheel U4, the INVANTI feels beefier, more powerful, yet remains usable for city streets and short trail excursions. It's ideal for commuters who want a mix of power, comfort, and utility without sacrificing moderate portability. Pros: step-through convenience, fat tires for comfort, strong motor performance. Cons: heavier, folded size, front-only suspension, and range affected when using full power constantly. Who else loves a step-through bike for easy urban hopping? On number 1, F4 Black 14-inch folding e-bike, 500 watts, 23 miles per hour, 35 miles range, UL certified. Finally, the F4 Black 14-inch mini folding bike is a city commuter's dream, designed for ultimate portability. Its 500-watt motor and 576 watt-hour battery deliver a respectable 35-mile range, while dual disc brakes ensure safe stopping. UL-certified components add peace of mind, and the 14-inch wheels allow for seamless storage in apartments, offices, or public transport. Compared to the INVANTI or Vivi bikes, the F4 sacrifices all-terrain ability, step-through convenience, and peak speed for ultra-compact storage and maneuverability. This is the bike you grab if your daily commute involves trains, crowded streets, or tight storage spots, prioritizing portability above all else. It's perfect for apartment dwellers or last-mile city commuters who want a certified, reliable ride that's incredibly easy to carry. Pros: exceptional compactness, high-capacity battery for its size, UL-certified safety. Cons: less comfortable ride, lower top speed, limited weight capacity. Who else loves a folding bike that disappears into your backpack space? Let me know in the comments. So guys, that wraps up our video on the best folding e-bikes for train commuters. All the links are in the description, so check them out and find the perfect ride for your daily commute. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts down below. Your next ride might be waiting just a click away.